A new comet is discovered, Comet Lemmon. This comet is important because it will brighten up to the naked eye visibility. At the moment it is magnitude 7, but it will get brighter. And it can put a display in early June. If we are lucky and a gas outburst happens, we can have a brighter comet even. These are some of the early images taken of this comet. This is this discovery image, shows this comet by two little lines around it. Light curve of the comet by April showed that it is magnitude 9. But by now it has brightened up to magnitude 7. And by June it will be magnitude 6 and even brighter, magnitude 5 probably. So watch this space and we will keep you updated about this comet.